Good afternoon, students. As we are discussing last class, algebra, whatever we have discussed, just we'll revise briefly and we will continue. So we discussed the difference between constant and variable. Constants are the values whose value won't change, so they'll be kept same throughout the discussion. But variable, they may change according to the situation. So mostly for unknowns, we'll be using variables only. We can use English letters, small letters. And what is algebraic expression? It is a combination of constants and variables connected by all the fundamental operations. That is called an algebraic expression. And then we discuss terms. Parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus. We call them terms. Remember, only plus and minus will separate the terms. Into and divided by, they won't separate the terms. So if you take 2x, that is 2 into x is treated as a single term rather than two terms. Coefficient we discussed in a product, one factor is called the coefficient of the product of all the other factors. And we discussed like terms and unlike terms. If same variable part is there, we call like terms, otherwise unlike terms. And then we discuss the important thing, polynomial. When an algebraic expression is called a polynomial, only one condition, that is all the variables present in the algebraic expression should have non-negative integer powers. They should not be negative and they should be integers. We discuss examples also. And polynomials in one variable, having only one variable, it may be anything x, y, z, anything. Polynomials in two variables, etc. And the degree of polynomial, what is degree of polynomial? The highest exponent of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. You take the example minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 7. The highest power involved in the variable is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3 and we call it cubic polynomial. Degree 2 we call it quadratic polynomial. Degree 1 we call it linear polynomial. And in general, if degree n, we call polynomial of degree n. Now classification of polynomial based on the number of terms it contains. If it is having one term, it is monomial. Two terms, binomial. If it is having three terms, it is called trinomial. More than three terms, we call it multinomial. And the last topic we discussed in previous classes, value of an expression. Suppose 4x plus 7 is an expression. If you're asked to find the value of the expression at x is equal to 2. So wherever you see x, you substitute 2 and simplify. That will be the value of that expression. So we have taken the example also. So just we have briefly revised what we discussed in the previous class and we'll continue. So after we discuss the value of expression, I'll take some examples here. So all of you, I'm going to give one example. Try this, and if you want to answer, you can raise your hand. Find the number of terms in the following expressions. Ashwardhan, can you answer this question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt in that polynomial.
Polynomial.
Yes, sir.
If an algebraic expression, if you want to call it polynomial, it should satisfy one condition. That is.
Sir, but you said that one term in the polynomial, one term means.
Ashwardhan, your voice is not loud. Speak a little bit louder.
Sir, suppose in a polynomial, you said one term having means linomial, sir.
No, linear polynomial means it's not about the number of terms. If it is degree is 1, we call it linear polynomial. Only one term is there, we call monomial.
Sir, one term means that.
It is called monomial.
Sir, means that only one plus.
Only one, no. Suppose if you have something like 5x, okay? How many terms are there in this polynomial?
Sir, one.
Only one polynomial. So it is only one term. So it is called a monomial, right?
Sir, 5x.
See, 5x. Is there any plus and minus involved here?
Sir, no.
So that means there is only one term. For example, if I take 5x minus y, I told you plus and minus will separate the terms, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many terms are there in this? There are two terms. First term is 5x and second term is minus y. So this is called a binomial, okay?
Okay, sir.
Ashwardhan, can you answer this example? Find the number of terms in the following expressions.
Sir, first one May I answer, sir?
Yeah, you can answer. First one, how many terms are there?
Sir, 0.
No, if there is no plus and minus, the product of all these things should be treated as a single term.
Single. Sir, oh, I
So
am
how many terms are there?
1.
One term. What about second one?
Sir, 2.
Two terms. What is the first term?
First term 4x
First term is 4x cube. What is the second term?
4x cube minus y cube.
Yes, minus y cube is the second term. Okay, along with the sign you should say. And number of terms in the third one?
Sir, 3.
3. Yes. So this is the way we are going to find the number of terms in an expression. And next, you can mute yourself for sure then. In the previous question, we identified how many terms are there, and now we are going to discuss how we are going to classify according to the number of terms. Okay, who will answer this question? Name the following algebraic expression with respect to the number of terms. Now they're asking the name of the polynomial with respect to the number of terms. Sahasra, can you answer this question? All of you take time and try this question.
Sir.
Sahasra, will you answer this question? Mayu, can you answer this?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
the first one 3.
I'm not asking the number of terms. They're asking name it. Name according to the number of terms. If a polynomial is having 3 terms, what do you call it? What do you call it? Mayuk, if a polynomial is having 3 terms, what do you call it? You know or you don't know? Amshuman, can you answer this?
Do you know the degree of column?
Amshuman?
Sir,
Yes, if a polynomial is having 3 terms, what do you call it?
the trinomial.
Yes, so this is a trinomial. And what about the second one?
Sir, binomial.
If a polynomial is having 2 terms, we call it binomial. Yes. And what about the last one?
Sir,
How many-
monomial.
Yes, there is only one term, so we call it monomial. Amshuman, I'll ask you a question. Will you try this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, how many terms are there in this? How many terms are there in this? Amshuman, can you hear me?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, how many terms are there in this?
Sir, 4.
Yes, very good. Because we should not count the number of times like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms. That is wrong answer. Amshuman gave correct answer. That is, first of all, we have to search for any like terms are there or not. Yes, 3x and 2x, they are like terms. First, we have to simplify and then check the number of terms. Okay, Amshuman, can you say the terms according to the decreasing order of powers?
Hello?
Amshuman, can you tell me the terms in decreasing order of powers?
Decreasing order of powers.
What is the highest degree term here?
Sir, x cube, sir.
No. Wherever you take the term, take the sign before it along with it. Plus x
Sir,
cube.
minus x cube.
Yes, minus x cube. Next.
Sir, minus x square.
No, x square is having plus before it.
Sir, plus x square.
Plus x square, yes.
Sir, plus 3x.
No, 3x and 2x you can simplify, no? 3x minus 2x.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, x.
Yes, plus x or minus x?
Sir, plus x.
Yes. And the remaining term left?
Sir, 7.
7.
Plus 7.
Now you can count the number of terms. How many terms are there?
4 terms, sir.
Yes, Amshuman, you can mute yourself. Next. Next question. All of you try this. Write the following expressions in the exponential form. You know what is the exponential form? Who will answer this question? Yes, Sahasra is asking increase the size of the question. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, who will answer this question? Yes, Mayu, can you answer this? First one.
Sir, 2 into 5 into 7 into x cube into y square.
Okay, for 257 also, if I want to write the power, which power I have to write?
So 1, 1, 1.
Yes, that is 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. X repeated thrice, that is x cube, and y repeated twice, that is y square. Very good. Can you say second one, Mayuk?
So 3 cube into 11 cube into
Why 11 cube? There is only one 11, no?
11, 1
11 to the power 1.
and x to the power 4
Yes.
into y square, y cube.
Y cube, yes. Third one, let's ask anybody else. Sahasra, can you give third one? Sahasra? Sahasra, you're not audible.
Sir, you are audible, sir. Can you tell the answer?
Yes, Sahasra, I can see that.
Sir, 2 power 1 into.
Is this Sahana? Is this Sahana, Sahasra?
Yes, sir. She is trying up to that.
She's logging in now. Where is Sahasra?
Sir?
Where is Sahasra?
Sir, she is beside me only. She is trying the answer.
Okay, you can say the answer meanwhile.
Sir, 3 power 1
Yes.
into 5 power 1.
Yes.
X power 3.
Yes. X repeated 3 times. We can also
X
put
cube.
X cube. Yes.
5 power 4.
Y to the power 4. Yes, very good. We'll take the next example after this. So this is how we write the exponential form. And now we discuss the operations on algebraic expressions, or we also call polynomials. So the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on polynomials. Okay, first let's go with addition. First operation, addition. How to add polynomials? You can take either two polynomials or more number of polynomials. Let me explain this with an example. Yes, this question. I want to find a plus b. A is given and b is given. First one I am solving. I want to find a plus b. So what is a given? 3x square minus 7xy plus 6, and we are adding the expression b. B is 7xy minus 5x square plus 15. So remember one thing, if before the bracket, if nothing is there, what is understood? Plus it is understood. Whenever you open the bracket with a plus sign before it, no sign is going to change. Why? Because plus into plus will be plus, plus into minus will be minus. That means multiplying a sign with plus will not change its sign. That means everything will be as it is if you open the bracket. 3x square minus 7xy plus 6. Now before this bracket also we have plus. Whenever before any bracket we have plus, no sign is going to change after opening the bracket. So the second bracket also as it is, that is 7xy minus 5x square plus 15. This is the answer, but we can simplify it. Why? Because there is a presence of like terms here. You can see 3x square and minus 5x square are like terms. Why like terms? Because they have same variable parts. So plus 3 minus 5. So we can write minus 2x square. So you can just draw a line under it to remember that this got completed or this is involved in the simplification. Now minus 7xy plus 7xy can cancel, and 15 and 6 sum is 21. So we got the answer minus 2x square plus 21. Now I want any one from you to try the second solution, that is 2a plus b. Who will try the second solution? Shriyansh, can you answer the second one?
Yes, sir.
I think you joined late, Shriyansh.
Yes, sir.
Why late? 1.5 hours not sufficient. Will you be on time regularly from tomorrow?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, can you answer the second solution?
Yes, sir. So 2a means 2 into a, sir.
Yes,
So 2
let me write the expression 2a plus b. Now substitute a. What is a given?
minus 2x square.
No. What is a in the question?
A in the 3x square minus
Yes.
7xy
Yes.
plus 6.
Yes. Now what is b?
7xy
Yes.
minus 5x square
Yes.
plus 15.
Okay, what is the next step? Shriyansh.
Sir, sir, you want to use distributive property, sir. 2 into
Yes.
3x square
Yes, distributive property. Distributive property of which operation over which operation?
over addition.
Over addition as well as subtraction. You can see one minus sign also, right?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 should be multiplied with each and every term inside the bracket. So 2 into 3x square,
6x square.
6x square. And what about the second one? 2 into 7xy,
14xy.
14xy. What about the third term?
12.
Okay, next. Now I
Plus,
want to open this bracket. If I open the bracket, any signs change?
no, sir.
Everything is as it is?
Yes, sir.
What is the
7.
reason? What is the reason?
Because, sir, any number, any sign multiply by place, the sign is as it is, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, is this the final answer or simplification is possible?
Simplification is possible, sir.
Okay, 6x square, where is the like term?
6x square minus 5x square is equals to x square.
Yes, 1x square, and there is no need to write 1. When coefficient is 1, no need to write. If nothing is there, we understand 1. Very good. And next
Yes.
one?
Sir, minus 7xy.
Okay, minus 14xy and plus 7xy, you are simplifying, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the simplification?
The answer is minus 7xy.
Okay, next.
Plus 27.
Yeah, 12 plus 15 will be 27. So is this the simplest form or any other further simplification possible?
Sir, it is a simplest form, sir.
Okay, you can stop here. So this is the answer. So this is how we add the polynomials. Okay, very good, Shriyansh. You can mute yourself. And now let us see one subtraction question. So same as addition, we are going to do subtraction, but with a little change. That is, while adding, before the bracket we are having plus and no sign is going to change. But while subtracting, before the bracket, we are going to have a minus sign. So if you multiply any sign with a minus sign, it's going to change, because minus into plus is going to become minus, and minus into minus is going to become plus. So the sign is going to change. I'll explain the first one. You try the second one. So the first one, a minus b. So substitute a. What is a here? 3x square minus 7xy plus 6 minus, what is b? 7xy minus 5x square plus 15. Okay, I want to open this first bracket. So before opening the bracket, first you check what is the sign before the bracket. If nothing is there, what we understand? We understand plus. That means before a bracket we have plus, and I'm opening this bracket. No changes are observed in the sign. So write as it is, 3x square minus 7xy plus 6. Now I want to open the second bracket. Before the second bracket, we see a minus. That means every sign inside the bracket is going to change. Plus 7xy is going to become minus 7xy. Minus 5x square is going to become plus 5x square. Plus 15 is going to become minus 15. Now, is this the simplest form? No. There are like terms. 3x square, 5x square are like terms, can be simplified. And similarly, xy terms can be simplified. So let us simplify them. So 3x square, 5x square together, 8x square minus 7xy is going to become minus 14xy plus 6 minus 15 is going to become minus 9. So this is the simplest form. We cannot simplify further. So this will be the answer. I want anyone from you to try the second solution, 3a minus 2b. Who will try this? Can raise a hand. Only few students are raising always. Is it that difficult? Add addition and subtraction. Saharsha, can you answer the second one?
Sir,
Saharsha?
sir, I not understood addition.
Which one, ma? You didn't understand addition?
Yes, sir. First one, A plus B.
A plus B. Okay, let me explain once again. See, can you see A plus B now? I went back.
Yes, sir.
A, I substituted the expression given, and B also I substituted the expression given. Sir should do only one thing while adding. Anyhow, before the brackets, you are having plus sign only, right?
Yes, sir.
When plus sign is there before the bracket and you open the bracket, no sign is going to change. You write as it is. 3x square will be 3x square, minus 7x will be minus 7. Everything will be as it is, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we are going to simplify. 3x square minus 5x square. What is the simplified form?
Minus 2x square.
Yes. And minus 7xy plus xy are going to cancel or not?
Yes, sir.
And finally, constants are remaining 6 and 15. Sum is 21. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Clear, Sarsha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now second one. Who will try to explain this? Harshvardhan, can you try the second solution?
Yes, sir. Sir?
Can you try the second solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me write the expression.
Yes.
3a minus 2b. Yes,
Sir,
how can I substitute?
then, sir,
Harshvardhan, you speak loudly. I'm not able to hear properly.
sir, in addition, you cancelled and subtracted, sir. Why in subtraction? Why are you adding, sir, that terms 3x square minus 7?
Why? Because plus 3x square plus 5a square. They should be added, right?
Sir, why?
We have already subtracted and changed the signs. That means subtraction we converted into addition. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now will you try this? A, what we have to substitute from the question?
Sir, 3x square minus
Yes.
7xy
Yes.
plus 6
Okay.
minus
Yes.
2
Yes.
7x
2
7xy
of, you start brackets, you should say of 2 of 7xy
minus 5x
5x
square.
square plus 15. Yes. Now simplification.
Sir, distributive property.
Yes. 3 you multiply inside with every term.
Sir, 3 into 3, 9x square.
Yes.
Sir, 21xy
Plus or minus, you won't say the sign first.
minus 21xy
Yes.
plus 18
Yes.
bracket close. Sir,
The
next,
bracket is over. We have already opened.
sir, next into 2.
Yes.
distributive property.
Yes, minus 2 you multiply by 7xy and say the product.
Sir, 14xy.
Minus 14xy along with sign I want.
Next, sir, minus 10x square
Wrong. Minus into minus is going to become.
plus.
Otherwise, you simply remember inside the bracket all signs going to change. Minus 5x square. The sign is going to be plus now. Okay? So
Sir,
2 into 5x square.
sir, what?
I want the product.
The product?
Yes.
Sir, which one?
2 into 5x square.
Sir, 10x square
Next.
plus 30.
Y plus Harshvardhan minus into plus. What is the product?
Minus into plus. Sir, plus.
See, I told you so many times.
Sir, minus into
Similar signs you multiply, you get positive answer. Opposite signs you multiply, you get negative answer. How many times you wrote in your book? Yes? You can remember only one thing. Similar signs multiply, you get positive sign. Similar signs, you get positive sign. And opposite signs product will be negative, right?
yes.
Okay, now tell me minus 2 into plus 15. What is the answer?
Minus 2 into plus
Plus
15.
15. Yes.
Sir, plus 13.
Again plus 30. Minus into plus.
Sir, opposite signs. So minus no, sir.
Minus into plus.
Sir, minus into plus. Sir, minus.
Yes, that you should say minus 30. Okay?
Arey, sir, I forgot to use that sign, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now like term simplification.
Sir, 9x square plus 10x square.
What is the simplification?
Sir, 19x square.
Next.
Sir, 21xy, 14xy. Addition.
Yes.
Sir, 21x square means 35xy.
With plus sign or minus sign?
Minus 35xy.
Yes, next.
Sir, next 18 minus that plus 18 minus 30.
Yes, plus 18 minus 30. What is it?
Sir, plus 18 minus 13, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 12, minus 12.
Yes, minus 12. Is this the simplest form or any other further simplification possible?
Sir, no. Sir, I have a doubt in addition, sir.
Is this the simplest form or any other further simplification possible?
Sir, no.
That's it. This is the answer. Okay, very good, Ashwardhan. You can mute yourself now.
I have an
Now, one more simplification, same as the arithmetic number simplification, we have involving variables. We use VBOD must, right? So try this. All of you try this. Simplify this question. 8m minus square bracket, 3m minus flower bracket, 2m plus 3 minus 2 of 4m minus 4. Simplify this. Who will say the answer? Rishika, you're there in class but not answering. Harshit, Rishikesh. Rishikesh, why are you absent today? I want the answer in chat box. Manaswini, Jaivan, Pranay, Daksh, Bhuvana. Nobody's trying. Sanvi. Only few people are involving in the class. Abhiday, can you answer this? Yes, Abhiday.
Sir,
Yes, Abhiday, how to simplify this?
sir, first innermost bracket.
Yes, use VBOD mass. Is there any vinculum?
No, sir.
So there are how many brackets?
So 3.
3 brackets. So we have to start opening from which bracket?
Sir, innermost bracket.
Shall we use erasing method or you want to write all the steps?
Sir, erasing method.
Okay, 8m minus square bracket open, 3m minus flower bracket, 2m plus 3 minus 2 of 4m minus 4, close, close, close. Okay, as you said, we will start from the innermost bracket, that is 4m minus 4. So we want to simplify this part.
Sir, we should multiply 2 with 4.
No, Abhyuday, whenever you take 2, take sign before it also, minus 2. Yes, minus 2 you multiply by 4m.
Sir, minus 8.
Minus 8m.
Sir, minus 8m.
Yes. Next.
Sir, plus 8.
Yes, minus 2 into minus 4 will be plus 8. So what we can write? I'm erasing this part now. Minus 8m plus 8. Minus 8m plus 8. Now, Abhiday, is this the simplest form or we can simplify further?
So we can simplify.
Okay, what is the simplest form?
Sir, 2n minus
Yes.
plus. Sir, 2m minus 8m plus 11.
Oh, what is the sum of 2m and minus 8m?
Sir,
What is the sum of 2m and minus 8m? This part.
sir,
This part.
sir, minus 6.
Yes, minus 6m you should say. Minus 6m. And now 3 and 8 together.
Sir, 11.
Yes, 11 we can write here. Right, this part erased and we can write 11 here. Okay, now before this flower bracket, which sign are you able to see?
Sir, minus.
So whenever minus is there before the bracket, what happens?
Sir,
Yes. Whenever minus is there before the bracket and you open the bracket, what happens to the signs inside? Change or as it is?
sir, change.
So minus 6m plus 11 is going to become what?
Sir, minus 6m becomes plus 6m.
Yes.
Plus 11 becomes 11.
Yes, that means is it 6m minus 11?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me erase this part and write 6m minus 11. 6m minus 11. Okay, now can we simplify this now?
Yes, sir.
What is 3m, 6m sum?
Sir, 9m.
Yes, you can erase this part and write 9m here. Now, before this bracket, which sign are you saying?
Sir, minus.
Again, what will happen to the expression inside?
Sir, signs are changed.
That means 9m minus 11 is going to become?
Sir, 9m becomes minus 9m.
Yes.
11 becomes plus 11.
That means, is it going to become minus 9m plus 11?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can erase this part and write minus 9m plus 11. Okay, now what will happen?
Sir,
Yes, 8m minus 9m.
minus 9m is equals to 1m.
Come again? Is it 1m?
Sir, minus 1m.
Yes, minus 1m, but no need to write coefficient 1. Simply we can write minus m, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the answer is minus m plus 11. Very good, Abhiday. You can mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So we understood how to solve or how to simplify addition and subtraction. Now you're going to see multiplication and division. So multiplication, as we discussed already. So first we will try to multiply by a monomial. Then we are going to multiply polynomial. So first you take a polynomial and a monomial. That means more than one term, we are going to multiply with a single term first. So now multiplication of polynomials. Let me explain with an example. Multiply 2x square minus 4x plus 6y by 2xy. So first you write it as a product form. 2x square minus 4x plus 6y. We want to multiply this by 2xy. So as we can see, we can use the distributive property. The single term should be multiplied with every term inside the bracket. This is called right distributive property. Why? Because the single term is there on the right of the bracket. So according to right distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction, we can write 2x square into 2xy. So first multiply the signs, then multiply the constants, then multiply the variables. So 2x square is positive, 2xy is positive. Positive into positive is positive. but no need to write plus in the beginning. 2 2s are 4. X square into xy is x cube y. Next, minus 4x and 2xy. Minus 4x is negative, 2xy is positive. Minus into plus is going to become minus. 4 2s are 8. X into x is x square, and y is left. You can write y here. Then 6y into 2xy. Positive, positive. Product is positive. 6 2s are 12. And xy into y is xy square. So as you can see, we cannot simplify further. Why? Because there are no like terms seen. There are some common terms, but we are not trying to take common because we want to express it as a product, not factorization. This is only the answer. 4x cube y minus 8x square y plus 12x y square. No like terms are seen, so we cannot simplify it further. And I want anybody from you to try the next question using multiplication of polynomial simplification. It's very simple. You can try. So all of you try this. Next question. Who will say the answer? Again, same thing. Same students are raising hand, remaining or keeping quiet. Very simple fundamental operations on polynomials. Only you should know the sign multiplication. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Yes, Bona, will you try this question?
Sir,
Bona, speak loudly. Your voice is very low.
sir, I can't understand multiplication, sir.
See, multiplication is we are using distributive property. First, we should multiply 2xy with 2x square. Okay?
Okay, sir.
2x square, what is the sign, Bona? The sign
Sir,
of 2xy is plus or minus.
sir, plus.
If there is no sign, we understand plus, right?
Yes, sir.
And 2xy, what is the sign?
Sir, 2xy also
Plus only,
plus.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, positive into positive. What is the answer?
Positive.
Yeah, that's why it is positive sign here. But in the beginning, no need to write plus. Now you multiply constants. 2 and 2 you multiply. 2 to are
4.
4. Then you multiply the variable part x square and xy. X square into xy, what will you get? See, Bona, you don't confuse. X square means, is it x into x?
Yes, sir.
Xy means, is it x into y?
Yes, sir.
Now you see the product. X repeated how many times?
Sir, 3 times.
That means, is it nothing but x cube y?
Yes, sir.
That's why I got x cube y here. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, similarly, you multiply minus 4x and 2xy. First, multiply the signs. Minus into plus.
Minus into plus minus.
Yes, now multiply the constants. 4 into 2.
8.
Next, variable part x into xy.
X.
X into xy.
X square y.
Very good. That's it. X repeated 2 times x square y. Next, 6y and 2xy. 6y sign.
Sir, 6y sign is
Gonna
plus.
be a little bit louder. 6y sign.
Sir, plus.
Yes, 2xy sign.
2xy sign plus.
Yes, plus into plus.
Plus.
Now multiply the constant. 6 into 2.
12.
Yes, y into xy.
xy x y square.
That's it. Y repeated 2 times y square. Now, why can't you try this question? Will you try?
Yes,
Yeah, I'll help you wherever you require help. You can try now. 5 times 2x minus 3. Okay, first you concentrate only on this part. 5 times 2x minus 3. How to simplify? Which property can be used? Bhuvana, a single term is multiplied by more than one term. Which sign? Which property? I named so many times in class. Distributive property. Yes?
yes, sir.
Yeah, multiply 5 with 2x first.
Sir, 10x.
Yes. Now multiply 5 and minus 3.
Sir,
5 and minus 3 multiply.
sir, minus 15.
Very good. Similarly, I want this expansion now. Minus x times 3 minus 2x.
minus x into 3.
First multiply minus x and 3. See, Bhuvana, I told you 3 steps, you remember. Step number 1, multiply signs. Step number 2, multiply constants or coefficients. Step number 3, multiply the variable part. That is. So now you multiply minus x into 3. Minus into plus.
Minus.
Now constants. Minus x. There is no constant there. We understood which number?
Sir, 0. Sir, 0.
Not 0, 1. 1 into x is x, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me 1 into 3.
3.
Now variable part. There is only one variable part. What is that?
X.
Right, x. That's it. So what is minus x into 3? Is it minus 3x?
Yeah.
Yes, Bhuwana. Loud, loud, louder.
Yes, sir.
Now minus x into minus 2x.
My plus
First,
2.
I told you 3 steps. First step, signs, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Minus into
minus
minus.
is equals to plus.
Yes. Now constant. 1 into 2.
Sir, 2.
Yes. Now variable part, x into x.
X.
X square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now only one term left after that. What is that?
Plus 2x square.
Yeah, that's it. Now, why can't you simplify this? It can be simplified, or this is only the simplest form.
Sir, it can
How
be.
to check an expression can be simplified or not? We have to check for the presence of what? Each and every problem you have to concentrate, Bona. I told you already. Like terms, you have to check for like terms. Any like terms are there?
Yes, sir.
What are the like terms?
2x square plus 2x square.
Yes, simplify these two. What is the sum you are getting?
Sir, 4x
Very
square.
good. Now, any other like terms there?
Sir, no. Sir,
No, check properly.
Sir, 10x and 3x.
Bhuvana, don't say 3x. Whenever you say any term, always take the sign before it with itself. So, will you say 3x or minus 3x?
Minus 3x.
So, this term is 10x, this term is minus 3x. You should always connect the sign before it. So, 10x minus 3x, what is the sum?
Sir, minus 7x.
Not minus. Bigger one is positive, no.
Yes, sir.
See, 10 is bigger, 3 is bigger.
Sir, 10.
Answer will always take the bigger one sign only, right?
Yes.
So, because 10 is positive, answer will be 7x or minus 7x.
7x.
Yes, you can write plus 7x here. Now, any other term left?
Sir, 15 is left. Sir.
Again, Bhuvana, why are you not saying sign? Say minus 15.
Sir, minus 15.
See, you're saying only 15, but there is a sign associated with it, minus 15. Wherever you take sign 15, wherever you take 15, minus will go along with it, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus 15. So don't forget to add sign before it, okay? Now, Bhuvana, this is the simplest form, or further simplification is possible.
Sir, this is the simple.
Yes, that's it. Very good, Bhuvana. You tried very good. And next time, don't commit mistakes. Follow everything in class perfectly, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Bona. All of you, this is the answer. And next, so we understood multiplication of a polynomial by monomial. Now let us take two polynomials. That means both of them are having more than one term. Then how can we multiply? I'll tell you two methods. Then first method we don't follow regularly, but we will understand how we get that method. Okay, find the product of these two. So x plus 2 I want to multiply by 2x plus 3, the product I want. Now what I do is, I know only multiplying polynomial and monomial. I don't know how to multiply polynomial and polynomial. What we do? Yes, we don't know this 2x plus 3. You remove it and call it any name. I'm calling capital A or any other name A, anything, whatever you want. Because I don't want to see polynomial there. I want to see a monomial. Then what I do? Let us give a new name for this 2x plus 3. I'm giving a new name called something like I'm giving capital A. Okay, so the given expression will become x plus 2 times A. We cannot simplify this because we don't know polynomial multiplication, but we can simplify this because we know polynomial and monomial multiplication. So a should be multiplied by x, a should be multiplied by 2. So let's write that x into a, I can write xa, 2 into a, I can write 2a. But don't write this as the answer because a is not given in the question we have created. So we want to get the answer in x terms only. Now what you do, whatever expression you given name a, you substitute that value back. So in place of a, I can substitute 2x plus 3 no. So substitute that x times 2x plus 3 plus 2 times 2x plus 3. Nothing I did. In place of a, I substituted it value back. That's it. Now you concentrate on these two parts individually. This one we know how to simplify. This one we know how to simplify. Why? Because monomial into polynomial we can multiply. So let's do the first one. X multiplied by 2x, 2x square. X multiplied by 3, we can write 3x. 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into 3, 6. Now we can simplify this because there is a presence of like terms which can be simplified. 2x square, 3x plus 4x is 7x, and this is 6. This is the final answer. So this is one method, but we don't follow this method regularly in class. So all of you remember one pattern: x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 3. The pattern is take the first term of the first expression. With this, multiply each and every term of the second expression. That is the first part. And the second part is take the second term in the first expression and multiply with each and every term of the second expression. So 4 times we are going to multiply. So first x into 2x, 2x square, then x into 3, you write 3x, then 2 into 2x, 4x, then 2 into 3, that is 6. Now we can simplify because we already simplified 3x and 4x in the method number 1. So this is 7x plus 6. So this is method 1 and this is method number 2. But you always try to follow the second method because first method is always time consuming to call it a name and again substitute it back. But you remember this pattern. Take first term, with that you multiply every term in the second bracket. Take second term, and with that you multiply every term of the second bracket and continue until all the terms finish. That's it. So any doubts you can raise hands still here. Then I will move to the next question. I am lowering all the hands. Only doubts raise a hand now. I am lowering all hands. Only doubts you can raise a hand. Sarsha, any doubts?
Understood method.
Sarsha, speak loudly.
Sir, I not understood method 1.
You didn't understand second method, right?
No, sir. First.
First method, okay. Saharsha, we want to multiply x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. X plus 2 is not a monomial. 2x plus 3 also not a monomial. Monomial means what? Single term. But both of them are having more than one term. I don't know how to multiply polynomial. Then what I do is I convert one polynomial to monomial by giving any name like a. Not a, you can give your own name, b, c, whatever it is. But I am giving a. In place of 2x plus 3, I am substituting a. Now you see, this one we can simplify, Sarsha.
Yes, sir.
Because x plus 2 is a polynomial and a is monomial, we can simplify. We know this distributive property, right?
Yes, sir.
So x into a plus 2 into a. Now what you do, whatever value you called a, substitute that value back in place of a. Yes?
Okay, sir.
So x into 2x plus 3 plus 2 into 2x plus 3. Now you see this. This is monomial and polynomial. We know how to multiply, right? Yes, Sarsha?
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly, Sarsha.
Yes, sir.
X into 2x is 2x square. X into 3 is 3x. Similarly, the second one, 2 into 2x plus 3. 2 into 2x is 4x and 2 into 3 is 6. And finally, we can simplify. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Amshuman, doubts? Yes. Amshuman?
Sir,
Yes, Amshuman.
sir, you're not giving to permission me.
You want to answer the questions?
Yes, sir.
The more questions are there, I'll give the permission. If you have any doubt first.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Manaswini, any doubts? Manaswini?
Sir,
Yes, Manaswini.
I didn't understand second.
See, Manaswini's second method is in the first bracket you select any term. Suppose I am selecting x. How many terms are there in the first bracket, Manaswini?
Sir, 4 terms.
I am asking in the first bracket
Sir, 2 terms.
2 terms. You select any one. I am selecting x. With that x, you multiply all the terms in the other bracket. In the other bracket, which terms are there?
2 terms.
2x and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
That means x we should multiply by 2x, x we should multiply by 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What is x into 2x?
2x square.
Yes. What is x into 3?
2x cube.
No, x into 3 is 3x.
3x.
Now, first term is over, no? What is the second term in the first bracket?
Second time in the first bracket is 2x, sir.
2. With 2 also, we should multiply both terms of the next bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 2 into 2x?
2 into 2x. 2 into
2 into 2x.
4x.
4x. 2 into 3.
2 into 3. 6, sir.
6. Now, in this step here, any simplification is possible, Manaswini?
Sir, it's
Yes,
possible, sir.
possible. Where it is possible?
3x plus 4x.
Yes, 3x and 4x. Why? Because which type of terms are they called? Which type of terms are they called?
Binomial.
Like terms.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by like terms?
Sir, they have same terms.
Same variable part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3x and 4x can be simplified to 7x, and that is the final answer. Is it clear, Manaswini?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi, your doubts? Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, what is your doubt?
Sir, 1/7 and subtraction, sir.
You want to okay, I don't want to go to the previous slide. I will take this example only. Let's take x plus 2. From this I want to subtract 2x plus 3. Okay, this is a new question I have, Sanvi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you tell me, Sanvi, before this bracket which sign is there?
Sir, plus.
Yes, plus. Before the bracket we have plus. Are there any changes in the signs?
No, sir.
So we'll write as it is x plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Before this bracket, which is the sign?
So minus.
Minus means what will happen? Every sign is going to change or will be as it is?
Sir, change.
Plus 2x becomes?
Sir?
Plus 2x becomes?
Sir, plus 2x.
No, you said signs are going to change, right? Plus 2x will become what?
Minus 2x.
Yes. Plus becomes minus, that's it. And plus
Yes,
3 becomes?
Sir, minus 3.
Okay. Now, how can we simplify this? X minus 2x simplification.
Sir, x minus 2x.
Yes. See, forget about the variable part, ma. 1x minus 2x. You forget about the variable part. You think plus 1 minus 2. You don't know the answer. Plus 1 minus 2.
Sir,
What is plus
minus
1?
1.
Minus 1. Yes. Minus 1 into x means is it minus x?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about 2 and minus 3?
Minus
Yes.
1.
Minus 1. That's it. This is how we subtract the polynomials. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can follow the previous examples also. Same thing will be there. And
Okay.
Mike, you have any doubts? Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
sir, which subject you are taking after maths?
Intelligence. Friday, Saturday, intelligence. But yesterday was holiday, no? I need to take intelligence now.
Sir,
Because
which
tomorrow you have weekly test, no? Intelligence will be there.
sir, which subject, which time you are taking intelligence?
Now only I will start after completion of these doubts. Okay. I hope all the doubts are cleared and we are going to start intelligence now. So intelligence, last class we have completed, I think, series. And after that we are going to start coding, decoding. It's coding, decoding we are going to start. Coding means to hide the meaning of any message. Let me write the heading here. Okay, what do you mean by coding? Coding means to hide the meaning of any message, and decoding means to understand the actual meaning of that message. In questions based on coding, decoding, a word is coded in a particular way. So, which way we don't know. We have to identify that way and we have to decode it back to understand. So, most of the times we are depending on the positional values of the English alphabet. A means 1, B means 2. You must remember that order in random way also. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4 and so on up to Z is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 26. Not only in the straight manner, in random way also. If letter is said, you should say the corresponding number. If number is said, you should say the corresponding letter. If you practice like that, so don't depend on exam is there and we open the rough paper and we write all the numbers from A to Z and 1 to 26. Don't waste time. So whenever you practice in such a way that whenever you see any letter, you should strike the number, and whenever you see any number, you should know the letter, corresponding letter. So that will help you a lot in saving the time. And okay, let's take examples. So before taking examples, how many types of coding will be there? So we have types like letter coding will be there, number coding also will be there, and alphanumeric also will be there. First, let's take letter coding, some questions. And every question may not be having the same process. We have to think for every question in a separate way. We have to understand the pattern, that's it, which pattern they are following. Is example 1. In a coded language, brinjal is written as, don't try to read these words, LAJNIRB, because they are not meaningful words. How will ladyfinger be written in that code? Very, very simple question. Who will try to answer? Who will try the answer for this question? Yes, Rishikesh, will you answer this?
Sir?
Rishikesh, will you answer this?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I want answer for why are you absent today?
Sir, my grandmother was died, sir.
Okay. I think you are not in Kamaradi now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How the code was written? Can you tell me?
Sir, the letters was reversed.
Okay, that means first went to last, right?
Yes, sir.
And second will become last, second, right? Second last.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the same pattern if you apply. Okay. This lady finger will become. Can you tell me the letters in reverse order?
Sir, REG
REG
NI
NI
FI
FY
DAL.
DAL. Yes. Which option?
Sir, option C.
Option C. Okay, very good, Rishikesh. And next question, letter coding. We'll take one more example. I told you already, every question may not be having the same process. You have to see the pattern in every question. Who will answer the next question? In a certain code, SOBER is written as RNADQ, and Lotus can be written in that code. In which manner? Who will say the answer? Vishnu, can you say the answer for this? Vishnu?
Sir?
Yes, can you answer this, Vishnu?
Sir, I wanted to ask a doubt
Yeah, you can ask.
actually.
Is it from maths?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, should I write it in my notes?
I'm not giving time to copy notes now. All the live classes, you listen with the help of a rough notebook and try to answer. Later, when you have find free time, you can watch the recorded lecture. It will be a revision for you, and you can write the notes neatly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now only have the rough book with you and try this. Can you say the answer for this, Vishnu?
Sir, sir, actually, wait.
Shall I write the letters? SOBER. How it became RNADQ? Yes. What happened?
Sir, the letters are subtracted by 1.
Yes. Yes, positional value. Yes, positional value. Do you remember the
Sir, what
positional
is that?
values, Vishnu? All the letters in alphabet?
Sir, no, sir.
You don't know, but you must remember. It will save time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, you can say previous letter of S is R, right?
Yes, sir.
We can say predecessor also. O minus 1 is N. So every time 1 is getting subtracted, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So apply the same code on Lotus. What will be the answer? L predecessor.
Sir, K.
Yes. O
N.
N T.
S. Sir, S.
And U predecessor.
Sir, T.
S predecessor.
R.
R. So which option is correct?
Sir, A.
Yes, okay. Good, Vishnu. We'll take one more example from letter coding. Vishnu, you can mute yourself now. As I told you already, every question may be different. Don't try to see the previous patterns. Every question you see it as a new question. So in a certain code, road is written as URDG. How is Swan written in that code? Who will say the answer for this? Pranay, can you answer this question? Pranay?
Sir,
Yes, Pranay.
sir, I,
Pranay, do you remember the positional values of all the letters?
yes, sir.
Okay. You want me to write the positional values or you already understood the pattern?
Sir, R plus 3 equals to U.
Yes. R positional value,
Sir, 18.
U positional value,
21.
like that. Every letter is matching this pattern.
Yes, sir.
You start reading from the second letter along with the positional values. Like O is 15 plus 3 18 and it is R. Like that you read all the letters, third pair.
O is 15 plus 3 equals to 18 R.
Yes.
A equals to 1 plus 3 equals to 4 equals to D.
Yes.
D plus 4 is D, D plus 3 equals to 8. Sorry, 7
Yes.
equals to G.
Yeah, that means if you follow the same pattern of adding 3, for this van also, you go on explaining the same thing. S positional value and adding 3.
22. V.
First you say S positional value.
19.
19 plus 3.
22.
Yeah, this is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22nd letter
V.
P. And W positional value
23.
23 plus 3
26. Z.
is the letter Z. Yes, A.
1.
1 plus 3
4. D.
fourth letter. Yes, N.
14.
14 plus 3
17.
17th letter
Q.
Q. So which option is correct, Pranay?
Sir, option B.
Option B is very good, Pranay. You can mute yourself now. And after this, let's see number coding. So number coding also there, but we should understand the pattern first. Let's see an example here. Yeah, who will try this question? Delhi is coded as 73541 and Calcutta is coded as 825896662. Then how can Calicut be coded? Who will try this? Sanvi, can you try this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanvi.
Sir.
Yes, Sanvi.
Sir, C means, sir, 8, sir.
Okay. First, let me write Delhi became DELHI. Delhi became
Sir, 7,
754.
5, 4.
Okay, if you try to see it as a positional value, that D is 4, but this is 7. E is 5, but this is 3. L is 12, but this is 5. We are understanding no pattern, right? That
Yes,
means
sir.
definitely this is not related to the positional value. But this
Yes,
is
sir.
called, one particular name I told you. What is this called?
Sir.
This is called direct letter coding. Direct letter coding means wherever you see that letter, without any reason, we substitute a particular number. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And let me write after Delhi. Now let us write Calcutta. Calcutta is coded as
Sir, 8,
2,
2,
5.
5, 8, 9, 6, 6, 2.
Now you want the code for Calicut. Okay, I want the code for C.
Sir, 8.
Yeah, clearly we can see that without any reason, C is coded as 8. This is called direct
8.
letter coding. So C will get 8 here. Next, A.
Sir, 2.
A you can see 2 here, also here. So A will receive 2. L.
Sir, 5.
L you can see in Delhi also 5, Calcutta also 5. So here it will receive 5. I.
Sir, 1.
I is 1. Here also 1. Next.
Sir, 8.
See, already we got 8. U.
Sir, 9.
U is 9. T.
Sir, 6.
Here 6, here 6. So here also will get 6. So 8, 2, 5, 1, 8, 9, 6. Which option?
Sir, option C.
Option C is correct. Very good, Sanvi. What is this called? What is this
Sir,
called? Direct letter coding.
direct letter coding.
That means there is no pattern seen in addition or subtraction terms, but for a particular digit will be substituted without any reason, but all of them will follow the same rule. That is called direct letter coding.
Direct letter coding.
Yes. Good, Sanvi. You can mute yourself now. One more example. Very simple. Yes, who will try this now? If man is coded as 13, 1, 14, then how will you code time? Simple question. Yes, Rishika, can you answer this? Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rishika, can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
See, the word man is coded as 13, 1, 14. What is the relation between the letters and the numbers?
Sir, M number is 13, sir.
That we call positional value, right?
Yes, sir.
M's positional value is 13. A positional value, is it correct one?
Yes, sir.
And N positional value, is it 14? Correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Now we want the positional values of time. Rishka, do you remember all the positional values of letters from A to Z?
Yes, sir.
Okay, T,
20,
I,
9,
M,
13,
E.
5.
Very good. Which option?
Sir, option B. Sir,
Option
A.
A. Yes, Rishika. Very good. And so this is about letter coding and number coding. I'll give some practice exercise questions for you. So you can try these questions now. Okay, let's try these two questions first, then we'll move forward. So we'll answer the first question. First question. Wait a minute, let's see what about these students not answering. Jayvant, Daksh, Samatvika, Shriyansh, Vishnu, Sanvi, Sahasra. See, whether I give permission to you to give the answer or not, it's secondary. But first, you should show your interest in answering the question. That shows your involvement in the class. Okay. Let's select Ritvik. Ritvik, can you say the answer for the first question? Ritvik? Yes, Ritvik, can you answer the first one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The
Track.
direct line coding.
Yes, very good. Direct letter coding track. You can see why direct letter coding in the question and in the answer, same letters they are asking, but in random order, right?
Yes, sir.
Track is coded as BATMP. If you go for direct letter coding, P is coded as
Sir, P.
T. A is coded as,
Sir, T.
and what about CRT?
Sir, M.
R
A.
and T.
B.
Which option?
Sir, option A, sir.
Yes, this is answer A. Ritvik, you can mute yourself now. Who will try the second question? If in a certain language TIMEN is coded as ACMOG and EMPIN we have to find. We'll try this. Bhuwana.
Sir,
Bhuwana, speak loudly.
sir, direct letter coding.
Yeah, this is also direct letter coding because in the question and in the answer, same letters are there but random order. TIMEN is coded as ACMOG. Yes, I want the code for this.
Sir, E is coded as O.
Very good.
Sir, M is coded as M.
Yes,
Sir, A.
yes,
C.
yes.
G.
Which option, Bhuwana?
O, M, A, C, G. Sir, option B.
Yes, Bhuwana, we can mute yourself. Next few questions I'm going to give now. Yeah, try these questions now. Third one, in a certain language, LONGE is coded as MNPQT and we should find for EGNOL. Okay, before we try to answer all the questions, I will give you for your practice. Okay, so first I'll give all the questions at a time, then we'll come one by one. All of you keep trying these questions. I'll be giving all the questions at once. Yes, students, I gave all the questions up to 20 questions for your practice. So you can practice these questions. I'll give the key also. So after you get the answer, you can check whether your answers are correct or not. So this is the key. Students, you remember tomorrow weekly test will be there. After 4 o'clock, you can attempt the test, and you know the pattern already. That is, maths will be getting 20 questions, 23s or 60, and GK English Intelligence all are having 10 questions each, carrying 2 marks, 20, 20, 20. Total 120 marks, and 1 hour 15 minutes you can write the test. So the test will be available after 4 p.m. tomorrow, Sunday. And you know the distribution of marks also. Present week, that means Monday to Saturday, whatever topics we discussed, you get 80% of the syllabus and 20% of the syllabus from previous all the weeks. Weekly test 1 syllabus, 2 syllabus, and 2, 3. Current week 80% and cumulative syllabus 20%. So everybody try these questions. How many are able to solve the questions? Solve as many before we complete the class. Everybody is having rough book now. You can try all the questions, and the key is also ready for you to check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, students, when you get free time, so from the recorded lecture, so you can listen to the class once again. Wherever any particular thing you don't understand, you can watch it again and again until you understand, and then write the notes neatly. And also complete these questions up to 20. And for your verification, I gave the answers also at the bottom. Practice these questions, and all the best for tomorrow's exam. So the students, all of you, can leave the class now.